Hey, good morning, fellas. We are live. We are live. Timbo, good morning. Carlos, good morning. Amit, good morning. Whoa, we just broke out. I go live and the market breaks above the 820s. Would you look at that? 820s. Pretty, looking pretty bullish today. Let's see if it continues. We got pretty nice. The daily chart, definitely daily chart looking interesting. Maybe we go test the 19,000s today. How's everyone doing this morning? Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. I know, John. Good morning, John. Yeah, last night, right here, this was it. Of course, I was not working last night, so I was not trading. I did not trade last night, unfortunately. I saw it this morning and I was like, oh man, I should have been trading last night. But of course I wasn't. Oh well, so it goes. Now we just sit and wait. Really curious to see what we do here at the open. If we're gonna we're opening at the highs of the overnight session. That's always a kind of a dangerous place to be opening. Hey, good morning, Ram. Good morning, Namak. Good morning, Thumper. Michael, good morning. Peter Schapp, good morning. Good morning, Ram. Let's get it. Let's get it, folks. Also, I didn't do I know I didn't do a recap video yesterday, but I did not really find the need to do it because I did not take any trades. I actually listened. I listened to what my own advice. I did not. I ended stream and I shut everything down. I was glad I did too. After looking at, I came back and I opened my screens after 4 or after 5, and look at this ugliness. I'm really glad that I avoided trading this mess. We had this big move lower right when I signed off, and then we had a big move back up and then back down. Just not exactly what I would be looking for. So definitely don't feel like I missed out. If I'm trading my accounts simultaneously, Ram, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm trading them one at a time and just taking it slow and easy. Good morning, Lawrence. Good morning. Hey, here's Johnny. Good morning. Went yesterday afternoon. I went golfing again. Practice for my trying to practice for my tournament. Golfing did not go well yesterday. If I golf like that in the tournament, I'm definitely not going to make the cut. Golfing did not go well at all. It was downright horrible. But there's always the next day. There's always the next day, just like trading. You just got to move on. All right, here we are, opening at the highs. Hey, that's right, Thumper. Today is a good day to have a good day. I like it. Sold 2 E-minis on the number at the previous high. Nice. Let's go, John. Now just don't. Yeah, that's right. Just take it easy now. Hey, Flojo. Good morning, Flojo. Good morning, R5 Studios. How we doing? All right, we are about to, we're about 2.5 minutes away from the open. Very curious what we do here at the open. If we're going to, I mean, we're opening at the highs of the overnight session, which is always kind of tricky, I feel like. All right, now we're pulling back a little bit here right before the open. Hey, Ponzi in the house. Good morning, Ponzi. Good morning, Perfect Play. Let's get it. Let's have us a good day. Right now, I'm definitely going to be looking to buy today, but obviously you got to be careful in this market. Just always the 4-hour chart. We're still not exactly, we haven't really broken above this little wedge. So I guess we'll see. We got to get, I'm thinking if the bulls are serious, we're going to test the 19,000 level today. If the bulls are serious. If not, we might see some sideways choppy action. Skydiving is fun. Hey, Goan Trades, good morning. All right, boys, let's see where we go. We are 30 seconds from open. Good morning, Nicholas Conley. Good morning. And the market is open for business, folks. Big rip higher. Now moving lower. Where are we going here? All right, are we going to pop it? Looks like we are popping. All right, let's see if we push above the 50s. See if we get a rip higher. She's trying. She's trying to rip it through the 50s here. There we go. Up through the 50s. And up through the 55s. Just gonna be patient at the open here. I'm not looking to trade this volatility. Just gonna wait till things settle down a little bit. Hey, good morning, Nao. Good morning. Roger, Sam, good morning. Daryl, good morning. Dean, good morning. Pontus, good morning. How does your standard ATM look like? How much profit, stop loss? Right now, my take profit, standard take profit, if I'm trading minis, is 22 ticks. My stop loss varies. Sometimes it's 40 ticks, sometimes it's 60 ticks. So, all right, here we go above the 60s to the 65s. See if we push the 70s. Looking pretty bullish here at the open. Not much of a pullback at all. So, makes me nervous. Definitely don't want to just jump in here, really, but the bulls definitely seem to be in control this morning. Let's see if they can hold it up. All right, now let's see if we continue higher. Or is this going to pull back maybe? Looking pretty bullish right now. Hey, good morning, design. Can't get any data to load on trade at 8. The trailing drawdown IT department working overtime today. Wait, is there issues with Trade right now? Good morning, Pontus. Good morning, Jim. Good morning, TCG Andy. Good morning. How we doing? All right, here we go. Pushing it back to new highs above the 80s. Definitely just straight up this morning. Straight up. Got to think we're going to go test that 19,000 or the 18,900 level now. And then possibly next is the 19,000s. See if we can pivot point right here at the 85s. Let's see if that makes a difference. And now pulling back. John, that's so true. Interface there, but zero data. That's weird. Huh. That's probably saved me from blowing accounts. We've been there. Last year market is rallying because we were going to get 6 cuts. And we don't get one. Now we might get one. And we are so happy. Yeah, it's so stupid. I agree. It doesn't make sense. All right. If we pull back, and as long as this EMA holds, we might take a stab at it using micros, obviously. But we might take a stab at this. Do I want to take a stab right here? Feel like I'm missing this. I could have jumped in down here, but Wow, this thing looking very bullish this morning. Looks like it wants to rip. Oh, the immediate. Oh, really, John? What? Tick direct? Kind of odd. That short you're talking about, that can't be a recent short. That had to be from like a year ago. All right, now we're just hanging out here at the 60s. Not really. I mean, we're holding up at least. It's not pulling back. So just gonna try to be patient here. Hey, good morning, Clarity. Good morning, Rob Moores. Thank you, Matty Matt. Good morning, Matty Matt. How we doing? Sup. All right, let's see if we go below the 50s here. Seems the volatility is kind of picking up there a little bit. I think something's about to happen. Either we're going to rip it higher or we're going to drop off a cliff. I'm not sure which. Hey, RGAs, how we doing? All right, now we're pulling back. No, I don't think we have any more news. All right, now we're pulling back. Now pulling back more. Okay, I'm having issues with my connection. Is anyone else having rhythmic issues? Or is it just me? Is anyone else having rhythmic issues? I am, I'm going to restart Ninja Trader. I am going to restart because I think it's usually when this happens, it's a rhythm, or it's not really a rhythmic issue. It's more of a Ninja Trader issue. And usually if you restart, then it's fine. So I'm going to try that, but I tried to place an order. I tried placing an order 2 different times and nothing happened, which is not good. Trade-of-8 not connecting. Yeah, I heard that there were some issues with Trade-of-8, so Michael Hartman. But yeah, I feel like I'm I don't know if I'm going to be in a position when I come back in Ninja Trader or not. Guess we will find out. Nope, I am not. But that was weird. All right, that... Yeah, that worked. Now we're good. We're back and everything's fine. Huh. That was weird. Pretty sure that's a Ninja Trader issue, and I'm not sure how to fix it. I am not sure how to fix it. Market going back up without me. If I wasn't for that disconnection issue right here, would have been a perfect entry, but obviously I couldn't take it. Feels bad. I had a position you couldn't close it, Alan. Yeah, I would restart Ninja Trader if you're having issues. That definitely fixed it for me. Why do people still use Trade-of-8? I mean, to be fair, Rhythmic, I think, had more issues in the past 3 months than Trade-of-8 has, but they both have their issues. They both have their issues. Oh, man, right there would have been a great entry at the 850s. All right, let's look for the next entry. No FOMO allowed. Yeah, I feel like Trade-of-8's been pretty decent. Top Step is working right, Brass Donkey. Are you connected to Ninja Trader, Brass Donkey? Hey, good morning, Angel. If I buy an evaluation today and pass it on the last day of the sale, will I still get charged the $85 lifetime fee? If you activate it tonight, or if you activate it before the 15th, you can do the $85 lifetime fee if it's 150, 250, or a 300K account. Oh, okay. That's now. Okay, thank you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a very old video. That's one thing with shorts. shorts are hard to see what day it was uploaded, but that was uploaded in May 4th, 2023. Yeah, that is weird. That's the YouTube algorithms for you. That's the YouTube algorithms for you. Hey, NP, good morning. So you have Ninja Trader, Apex, Trade of 8, Top Step, Rhythmic. Oh, yeah. Okay, Brass Donkey. Then, yeah, it's the Trade of 8 connection is the issue. It seems, or I've heard a couple different people mention something that Trade of 8 connection seems to be a little off today. I don't know that anyone uses Tick anymore. I don't know. Maybe they do, but I don't think a lot of them do. All right, come on, give me a nice pullback here, and we'll take it. We shall take it. We're just keep pushing higher. Come on, market. Just give me some nice pullback trades today. Make it a nice uptrending day today. Would that be asking too much? Hey, Mayor. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. Jimmo, good morning. Ace Undercover, good morning. Recovery of the Wick, good morning. We can't see your screen. Oh my gosh, sorry. I'm such an idiot. Sorry, guys. Can't believe you guys didn't tell me before this. Sorry. I restarted Ninja Trader and I forgot to change my screen. We're back. We're back. That's too funny. Hey, Rain 1980, good morning. Good morning. All right, we went through the 900s. Let's see if we will continue. Hey, least estimator, good morning. Hey, top secret leverage. Thank you. I wish it the same to you. The biggest, greenest day ever. Might be close to a pullback. Yeah, I'm hoping we get some pullbacks. Please don't just go straight up, because I'm not going to chase. If I YOLO evals today, actually, Rain, I tried it. I tried to pass some evals this morning on the news. Where was the news event? Right here. And I got shafted. I got shafted, man. If you were watching the news event, it did one of these things where it ripped, like it went up this far and then it came right back and then it went again. And that move lower, it triggered my long. I had a long entry right here. It triggered my long And I was like, it should have filled me on my take profit, but it went so fast that it didn't fill me. And then it came right back down and it hit the drawdown. Feels bad, but it's fine. I just tried it on one account and failed. I might try it again tomorrow. I don't know. I'm not that worried about it, but all right, let's see. We get a pullback. Yeah, I've actually, I don't know. I've passed some emails just the old-fashioned way, but it is way more efficient if you just wait for a nice news event and a nice move. But my pet Eskimo, yeah. I mean, if people actually buy Patrick's course, then that's, I mean, whatever. It's like, whatever, dude. People will do it. People will do it. All right, we're down. Let's come on. Love to get a pullback. Let's just test this EMA again. All right, come on, pull back. That's it. That's the spirit. Come on back, baby. Come on back. Come on back. Equivalent of using Rodine when I started losing my hair. It didn't work. Carolina. Oh, he's been talking about he's creating another course and he's going to be selling it. Oh, yeah. So after pullback, I think we see a 19,000 test. Yeah. I'm just waiting for confirmation on this pullback. Just love to see the wick down below, get a nice wick higher. Just got to be careful about jumping in here too early. Uh, man, I don't know. I hate chasing it when it's just going big red candle followed by a big green candle is not my ideal entry setup. I love how Patrick, you know, when he has a winning trade, how much how much smack he talks about, you know, how great he is. I always wonder, like, how gullible people are. Like, I just wonder. I wonder, where are the payouts? Where are the payouts? That's my only question. Those are questions he can't answer. All right, we might need to jump in here. Oh, come. Man, I'm missing my entries here. And now I'm just gonna miss this. Come on. You kidding me? Terrible. Terrible. Why the... Alan Sutton. No, I think he has to pay for that, Alan. I'm just kidding. That's wrong. That's just wrong. $85 lifetime fee still valid? Yes, it is. Till August 15th. 150K or larger accounts. That was wrong. Oh man. All right. This market, I'm missing out. I am totally missing out on this today. Feels bad. All right, there we go. Breaking above the 910s. Unbelievable that I missed this. Stupid. I missed this setup. I missed this setup. What am I doing with my life? It's hard to trade this when it's such a big move up already. Yeah, I mean, I'm fine taking these trades. I just didn't pull the trigger. Right here, 886 should have been my entry here. I mean, here is totally fine. Missing it, I was having connection issues, so just unfortunate. Come on, pull back here. Now, we didn't really make new highs here. Technically we made new highs, but we didn't close above it. So it's always a little bit concerning. Ah, wow. All right, this thing is just going up. Top step X is down. I wonder. No, where did they get their data feed from? CQG, I think. I wonder if it has to do with the trade of 8 issue. Hey, I'm sorry, Brass Donkey. That sucks. Still have 8 because of ghost orders, 5 accounts in profit. That's not cool. Why didn't I get in, Mayor? I was just too hesitant. I should have. I was hoping that this thing would give me another chance to enter, and it didn't. It just went straight up, and I missed my original entry, and I missed it. Let's look at the 4-hour trend line. Let's see how it's holding. We definitely broke above this trend line now. I mean, I gotta be very bullish about this 19,000 level. You gotta think we're heading to the 19,000s today. But of course, every time that I get very confident of something happening, that's when it won't happen. So just gotta be careful. Got to be careful. And then we also have to keep in mind this right here. For those of you that were here yesterday, remember this move? Nice. We were just moving higher, higher, higher. And then in one red candle, we went from the 740s to the 640s in one candle. That's the other problem right now with the way this market has been going. We can have a nice, slow, steady move higher, and in 2 minutes we can sell off 100 points easily. So those are the things that I'm just gotta be very aware of, and just be careful. Just gotta be careful. But at the same time, we gotta take our setups. If the setup is there, we gotta take it. Man, oh man, look at that. It's just immediately every little pullback's getting bought up. Man. See if this makes a convincing new high here. Every time I go long, I'm down instantly. Your top step X is working. If you went over the 30% profit rule, should you try to submit your payout request anyway? Their FAQ says the rule is not a big deal if you stick to a steady strategy. Yeah, I mean, how much are you over, Michael? Do you know? Like, if you're not over by a lot, then you can just trade a couple extra days, hope, you know, reach that a little bit more profit, and then that would put you underneath the 30% rule. But yeah, you can submit anyway. You know, it's kind of a 50-50. So if you get denied or not, but you know, if you do get denied, that means you have to then trade 10 more days. So keep that in mind. If I got my payout approved, actually, I haven't checked this morning yet. I haven't done my breathing and relaxing exercises yet this morning. So let me see. Let me see. Nope. Still pending. We breathing. We relaxing. We breathing and relaxing. I'm expecting it'll go till the 15th. Which is fine by me. I got all the patience in the world, man. This little fly buzzing around my head, and we're pulling back again. Now, this is a little bit concerning because we failed to make new highs for now the second or third time. I mean, 1, 2, 3 failures to make new highs. So now I got to be careful. Got to be careful here. Definitely could take a stab right here on a long. But with these failures makes me, this is a little bit higher risk to take a long. Even at 4K profit, 1,500 is 37% of that. I would say you will not get paid with 1,500 in total profit at 2K. Oh, so it's that big. I'm only up 2K, but my best day so far is 1,500. Yeah, that's cool. That's a lot over. You'll definitely not get approved for that, Michael. That's not going to work. Good morning, Rad Poker. How we doing? I would definitely trade more, and I would try to get your profit. Like, try to have a couple more $1,000 days will really help as well, because they will look at that too. If they see that you had one day at 1,500 and all the other days are like $100, that I think will probably flag it a little bit more. So I would definitely trade and get that profit higher. Hey, Soul Search Gurus, good morning. How are we doing? Okay. I'm going to take it. Just this, don't be the one that rips against now. Be good to me. It's kind of a risky trade. Definitely not. These are way better setups here because we actually made new highs. But the fact Nice. Okay. Okay. I like this. I like it. I'm going to try to get my target out of the way. Come on. Rip through these 20s. Rip through it. And then we're going to try to get a runner going. Come on. I will take my profit here if this doesn't rip through. And I'm going to get out. Dang it. Ah, that's unfortunate. I was really hoping we would rip through this 20. I feel like if we rip through those 20s, we would have been able to get a nice runner going, but now we're pulling back again. So we're chilling. Very choppy now all of a sudden. Pulling right back into the 900s. Wow. That's where it's staying. Like, this is what concerns me then. Again, we did make a new high, but I don't really count this as a new high if it immediately pulls back and it closes below. We have to close above to really count as a new high. I'm gonna wait. That's a big wick. However, notice how runners never work. Yeah, I do notice that a lot. I do notice that a lot. Yep, it's very true. I get why the rule is there, but it's a bit much to ask people to limit their profits and make a profit target to cash out, Michael. I mean, the reason they do it is just so that people, basically people would just, I get what you mean, but I think it is fair. I think it's very fair for prop firms with a lot, if you're allowed to have a lot of accounts, they're going to limit you one way or the other. You will not find a prop firm that will make payouts and not. So here's the thing with prop firms. Prop firms are either going to limit your payout, max payout amount, or they're going to have a consistency rule. And some have both. But, because of how little money is needed to invest to get a funded account, people would just YOLO accounts until they hit a big time. That's what people would do. It just, that's why it's there. That's why it has to be there. Or they'll have a scaling plan. They'll either have a scaling plan with no consistency rule, or if they don't have a scaling rule, they will have a consistency rule. Or if they don't have a scaling plan and they don't have a consistency rule, then they're going to cap you on how much money you can make in a day, or how much money that they will actually pay out. Like my funded futures, for example. My funded futures, it's in the fine print, but once you make over a certain amount of money, then they won't pay you out more than that. What is scaling? Scaling is like Top Step. So if Top Step has a scaling rule. So basically, when you get a funded account with a 50K account, you can only trade 2 minis, I think. So you can only trade 2 minis versus, they basically limit how much size you can trade, but then they don't cap you on how much your consistency rule. Apex, because you can't cash more than 2K. Yes, you can, Michael. Once you've made a withdrawal for 3 months, you can take out every single penny. Top Step has a cap of 50K per account as well. Not in your first 3 months. Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. But if you're having a huge profit days, then, that first 3 months is not really an issue. Or if you can be consistent, I guess. Or ask Rad Poker. He's a good example of building a crazy amount. All right, we are now pulling below the EMA here, and I'm not interested. We will sit on the sidelines. Just not feeling it for this. See if we continue to rip lower. I do still like longs way better than shorts, but I think we're in for a little bigger pullback. And take profits the same way, but here's the thing. Here's the weird thing. Like, the consistency rule actually makes me a better trader. Like, this is no cap. Having a consistency rule for me personally is actually better, because that way I know when to stop trading. Like, once I hit a certain amount, I'll stop trading. Where if I'm trading on accounts with no consistency rule, it's not their fault, but it's more my personality than where I'm like, dude, I just keep trading and then I end up giving it all back. I get frustrated anyway, but Michael. No, I know you do, Michael. It's just I mean, that's where I feel like, okay, that's why I do think, diversifying. If you're using prop firms, diversify. If you want some accounts that have no consistency rules and anything like that, then, use, whatever you want. Take profit. I prefer take profit because they don't have a scaling rule. But maybe you prefer Top Step, whatever that is. But then, I think you can kind of find out for yourself which one is best suited for you. Which right now, it's very easy to tell. I easily do the best. I do the best trading with Apex, and the consistency rules actually do help me. It sounds kind of crazy, but it's true. Design. uh, okay, this could. I'm gonna pull the trigger. I'm gonna have a. This is gonna be a sucky one if I get stopped out, but I gotta have my stop below this. Come on, we need a push here. Okay, maybe we just need to kill this thing. I don't like this trade anymore. I'm gonna get out. I just don't like that. That was a bad. I need to wait. This one might come back and prove me wrong. If it does, so be it. Dang it. Dang it. We might have made a mistake. Might have made a mistake there. Getting out too early. Yeah, Citizen Zero, that's exactly why I wanted to get out. Honestly, these wicks scare me. These wicks scare me. And that's kind of why I cut that trade early. And I feel like I probably shouldn't have taken the trade because of these wicks. Those wicks are not a good sign. We could still rip up and make new highs easy, but it's just a little scary with that kind of wick. They scare me. Hey, Garrett, good morning. Good morning, Garrett. The Modest Trader, good morning. Apex used to be good, but can't get paid once you become consistently profitable. August 2nd, submit a video August 7th, August 13th, now crickets. I mean, that's Brent Rycraft. That's not that unusual. I mean, I wouldn't be worried. If you're not doing anything wrong, I mean, I wouldn't be worried, really. That's not, they're well within the, like, they're not going to approve until the 15th. So just be patient, breathe and relax. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing breathing and relaxing exercises right now. And I'm not going to say it's exact. I'm not going to say it's fun. I don't think it's very, I do think Apex needs to improve their payout process. That's for sure. But it's kind of par for the course. You just, you know, you gotta follow what they ask, and even if you don't like it, I guess. I mean, but there's been numerous people, Brent, that have been asked to submit videos, and I've talked to them about it as well. I've talked to them about submitting videos and stuff, and basically, there are definitely legitimate reasons why they're asking that. And they're basically just trying to verify that you are the one that is trading the accounts. Because there are a lot of instances where large group trading is happening where other people are paid. It's a paid service where people have other people trade their accounts for them. So, but, you know, I've had quite a bit of people where that submitted the video and everything, and then you are good to go. You get approved and you're good to go. And then once you do that one time, Brent, that's actually a really good thing, because once you do that, then your account is verified, and it should be a lot easier to get payouts once you go through that process, from what I was told. Yeah, exactly, John. That's my thought is, like, I understand that their terms, like according to their terms and policy and everything, you know, yeah, they have until the 15th to approve people. If you submit from the 1st through the 5th, they have until the 15th to approve people. I get it. Like, I do. I get it that that's in their policy. That's what we agree to. That's what we agree to when we sign up, and, you know, whatever. But I'm my point to them was just like, yeah, I understand that, but it's just we live in the 21st century. We got to be better than this. There has got to be a better way. You cannot convince me otherwise. There has got to be a better way, and they need to figure it out. I don't get paid the big bucks to figure out how to do it, but somebody does. They need to find that person, figure it out. And hopefully they will. All right. It looks like holding on to this trade maybe was the would have been the right move. But honestly, I'm not that. I'm pretty okay with. I'm okay with cutting that trade short. It is what it is. But we're really bouncing off this opening range high. This opening range high, this EMA, so far it has held up really well. So I also don't think it's a bad idea to just be buying the EMA, buying this opening range high until proven otherwise. My brother submitted the third video, the 3 videos, and they came back with the answer: no payout because of further investigation. Interesting, Marty. That is interesting. John, if I submit a video of me trading my thong in a cup of coffee. I'm not even sure design. They specify, but yeah, I'm not sure. It's like you're auditioning for The Voice. Yeah, 100% Citizen Zero. That to me is the easy button right now, is to get rid of the payout windows. That's the first thing they need to do. John, I'm almost certain that they probably got some videos like that. I'm almost certain they did. Oh, it's too it's too funny. It's too tempting to not do that, I think. And down we go again, down to that magic number now. Will this hold? Looks like we're getting some selling here. Everybody hold up. Hold on. See if this thing's going to rip lower. Uh-oh, this thing looking rippy. Now we just got to be careful. Are we going to get bought up here again, or is this going to... Is this going to break down below the 870s now? Oh, there it goes. See, now I want to take this short. Oof. See if we do a cliff dive as soon as we get below this. Gosh, I'm so close to pulling the trigger, but I don't want to chase it. That's got the makings to just rip down to the 800s. Gone. Okay, this is going to be... This is not following my plan. So if I lose here, I deserve it. She ripping. Man, maybe I just... Come on, really? You're gonna do that and now rip higher? Jeez. Jeez, Louise. Ugh. I'm gonna leave my stop. If I get stopped out, it's fine. It's pretty much... Yeah, whatever. Whatever, dude. Makes me want to go short again. All right, we're still in bullish territory. We just ripped a little bit of a short trap there, I feel like. Definitely a short trap. All right, yeah, that's okay. We learn. It's all right. Don't short, says design. Just a suggestion, if you also look at ES simultaneously, we'll probably give you better entries. Just bounce off VWAP on ES. Oh, I see. Yeah, I used to do that a little more, but if take profit can do same day payouts, Apex can too. I don't think that's quite true, go and trades, because there's a lot of... Okay, take profit trader would not be doing same day payouts if they had the same user base, and if people were allowed to have 20 accounts, in my opinion. And are we going to go back down? Whoa, and yeah, we're just ripping higher here. That was a trap for the shorts, and that's all they needed. Habitual payouters. I love it. Make 600 on the buy the dip. Yeah, that was a great buy. If you honestly, not a terrible entry here. Where my stop loss would have been actually a good entry for a long as well, because that kind of confirmed that this trapped the shorts. Now let's just see. Let's see if we actually make new highs here see if we can get above the 900s, get above the 920s, and actually make a move, or is this just going to chop sideways now? Hey, made 600 on the buy the dip. Let's go AO 44. That's awesome. Trying to think if I want to be buying here again if we come test this 870 level. I don't know. All right, I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom. I will be right back. Oh, and we're back. Oh, sorry about that. That took, you know, sometimes, you know how it is. Sometimes things take a while. Man, this market is gonna just do me in this today. It's gonna leave and it's gonna do this move without me. You hate to see it. What a nice move. Man, this was a great short trap. Wow. Wow. Feels bad. Feels bad. It's been one of those days where I'm either just I'm not at the right place at the right time. Yeah, let's just all be thankful that it wasn't on stream. Very, very true. Hey, Leonard. How we doing? Good to see you. All right. I will say, like, the last couple of days, we've had some pretty crazy moves, but I do feel like overall, the market volatility has definitely died down from like a week ago. It's definitely not quite as crazy, which is good. And I might actually switch to minis here in a little bit if this continues to show. I just don't want to be I don't want one of those 100-point red candles. That's the main objective. How many PAs do I currently have? I currently have 17 PAs. Here's a glance. Here are all my PAs right now. Oh, come on, market. Matty Matt, that breakout just saved your day. Let's go, Matty Matt. Closing it down. Let's go. Close it down. Shut her down. How long does 85 lifetime PA? That is good until the 15th. Supposedly, the 80% sale is ending at midnight. Now, you know, we say that supposedly because Apex is known to be habitual sale extenders. So I don't know. Maybe I don't know if they're going to extend it again. I don't think anyone knows. We'll just wait and see. Maybe. Here's my thoughts. This is me purely speculating, but I do think here in the next 3 weeks, we're going to see some pretty big news come out of Apex. So I do feel that is going to happen here shortly. You've been trying to make 300 more, get those accounts for payout, and I've made all of 15. And nice. The 85 lifetime, okay, you still have some email. Yeah, hopefully they will. I wouldn't be surprised if they would. 90% off coming so they can afford to pay that guy $2 million. I'm not worried. They can definitely afford to pay him that. That's great publicity for them just in of itself. Yeah, Clarity. I kind of agree. I just want them to work on improving their payout process. That's, to me, I want more. I mean, I want black and white rules and a better payout process. Those two things. That's the two things I feel if Apex would do those two things, they would just wipe the floor with all the competition. If they would have black and white rules and improve their payout process, and it'll be over. Today I'm in my 7th day of trading my PA account and still missing 600,000. What? To reach my payout goal? Gutenberg, what? I am so confused. What? Red poker. Yeah, Maddie Matt, it does. Yeah. Okay, the commas are dots. Wait. Someone know why Apex has paid so little? I'm not sure what you mean. I actually haven't even run the diagnostics on. I'll check it out just because you said something. Now I'm curious. Gotta be kidding me. Yeah, you're fine, Ronnie. If you get approved on the 1st through the 5th, then your payout will go out by the 15th. So, nothing to worry about. I reached 2,600 today on my 50K PA, but on one day you did $900. So in this case, to avoid the 30% rule, I need to reach 3,400 to request a payout. Correct. That is correct, Gutenberg. Correct. Your commas instead of periods really got me that first time. I would imagine their restructuring cost them. Yeah, I would disagree, but hey, we can have differences of opinions. All right. Man, we're just going sideways now. All right, market. You profit. Hey, good luck, UCLA. Good luck. You profit pays maybe 250 people each month. Maybe 250 people each month. Wow, look at that rip higher. Oh my gosh. I'm actually not happy about my trading today. Jeez. Oh man. Man, what a beautiful short trap this was. Ay ay ay. 100-point move now since then. Feels bad. I guess we wait. Oh, this market. This is actually my ideal trading market. It's actually frustrating me that I'm not taking more of these trades. Red book. Come on down, market. I just need one good setup. I'm actually feel like this might be a bad idea though. All right, getting a pullback. Let's just make all day long market. Let's just make this nice methodical move higher. That would be a beautiful thing. You should have a contest 19043. It's high of day. Yeah, the EMA thing is killing it, and I've just literally not been doing anything. I have not been trading my other accounts. I am trying to trade. I have been probably trying to pass an eval and focusing on that a little bit too much. That's one thing I've noticed is when I'm trying to pass an eval, that definitely does distract me from taking other good setups. So I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I need to. I don't know how I rectify that, but man. Really, it's just gonna go without me. Man, I just need to wait on this. I am trading minis. I just switched to trading minis, so I do want to be kind of careful. Don't want to just jump in on anything. Hi, DCA, the show, baby. We still talking about the show, baby. Baby. Kellyanne is my hero. As she should be, Red Poker, as she should be. Hey, Shockwave, how we doing? Are we looking this morning? Honestly, it should be way better. I have not, I mean, I should be up. I feel like I should be trading way more than I am, and I'm not. I don't know. I don't know how to gauge how I'm trading. I would say not well. But I'm also trying to pass some evals, and that's kind of got me a little distracted, and I'm not sure I should be doing it. The show baby has a full beard. Oh, you have exams right now? Oh, dear. Hey, green on PAs now. Let's go, Orlando. Let's go. I love it. I love it. Yeah, NP. The day has been a very, like, a lot nicer play, and I just. But now, okay, look at that. Now we're there we go, making new highs again without me. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I just gotta wait. Gotta wait. I don't want to force things either, but very frustrating. Do you know what the situation is with Apex and that survey they did a few months back about an improve? Oh yeah, yeah, Kevy. I asked him about it, and it's still in the works. Supposedly, yeah. I don't know anything for sure, but I'm hoping here in the next 3-4 weeks we will see some changes. It's a long way down. Yes, it is. But the 4-hour trend, like we have officially broken above this. So, I mean, I don't feel like the 19,000s is a big stretch. I think we're going to go test the 19,000s today. I just wish I was in. That'd be sweet. And I just hate buying all the way up here. I just can't I need a bigger pullback where we're at least testing the EMA. It's like, this is kind of crazy just to buy all the way up here. We're getting these little micro pullbacks, and it's easy to get trapped when you're just buying those micro pullbacks, and then we have a bigger pullback, and then you take a loss, and it just messes up everything. Also, guys, I forgot to tell you guys this. So today, or tonight, I should say, tonight we're taking the whole family. For the first time, we're taking the whole family, and we're going to be watching the Guardians game. We're going up to Cleveland and watching the Guardians game. For those of you that can watch the Guardians on TV, if there's a home run hit to right field, you will probably see us. We're like the second row in from the wall in the second section. So, you know, keep an eye out. You might see old Nutty Bar. Yeah, baseball. Cleveland Guardians baseball team. They are playing the Cubs tonight. Yeah, I wish they were still the Indians. I agree. It feels even weird saying Guardians, but, you know. All right, market, just come on and pull back a little bit more here. This is not fair. This is not fair doing these little micro pullbacks. I mean, the pullbacks are from the 63. They're like 10-point pullbacks, so they're a little bigger than what they look, but it's still not enough to just dive in here. Look at that. We barely made new highs, and immediately we pull back. Making Ponzi wait like this. You remember the Indians. Yeah, you're confused. The Guardians, you never heard of the team name. Yeah, I feel like, I don't even remember. How long ago was it since the Indians changed their name to the Guardians? It's probably been longer than I think. So, but yeah, I guess it'd be like this. I guess it'd be like, but I'm looking forward to it. It's the first time that we have an 11-year-old and then a 3-year-old. And me and my wife, we've gone to the Guardians game multiple times in the past. But taking the whole family, this will be the first time that we do it. So I'll probably have to go take out a small loan just to pay for the food. But it'll be fun. It'll be fun. I should take the whole family to a strip club after the game. I am going to go out on a limb and say that will probably not happen. Oh, I mean a payout? Actually, yeah. If I can get my payout approved, maybe then we'll be okay. Minor league is the way to go. Oh, actually, like the tickets, I was actually surprised. I feel like the tickets were actually not that bad. The tickets only cost, I think the tickets which we're sitting, it's like by the right foul pole line, and it's like two sections over in the right field, right by the wall. We're one row deep. So we're right by the wall. And those tickets were only $50 per ticket. So that's with fees and everything. So I feel like it's actually not bad. I felt like the pricing actually was pretty fair for the tickets. But, you know, if you want to buy a hot dog or anything like that, it gets... Yeah, that's when it gets real crazy. Oh my goodness, this market is actually just going to bleed higher here. And I'm just sitting here twiddling my thumbs. Man, that feels bad. Unbelievable. It's just not giving me any entry. Yeah, I love hot dogs. Yeah, I do too. Nothing like ballpark hot dogs. No relation. I love hot dogs. With today's knowledge, why would you buy a hot dog anyway? Why not? Why not? I've eaten way worse things in my life than a hot dog. Dirty water dogs are the best. Nathan's hot dogs are far superior. Oh dear, are we going to have a hot dog argument? Oh man. Thank you for your help. Can I have two... Wait, can I have two copier on Ninja at the same time? Yes, you can. Oh, wait. You mean two copier like an Apex and the Replicanto? Can you have both of them at the same time? I mean, I think so, but why would you? It's going to duplicate the account. It's going to duplicate it, but yeah, you can have them both up at the same time if you want. The fries you get from any fast food place are probably 100 times worse than any hot dog. That I kind of agree with. When in Chicago, it's a must. Okay, John with one of his famous videos. The Wiener Circle. I love it. The Wiener Circle. John, John, you never disappoint. There's no way. Do they actually give your hot dog like that and they talk smack to you? Do they actually do that? That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. Do they actually do that? Do they actually do that? Oh my gosh, that is so. Oh my, that is hilarious. Oh my, that is just terribly wrong. Oh, What is, oh no, we're going higher. Shoot me now. Oh my gosh. I give up, market. You win. You win the internet today. Because I'm not taking trades. I feel like I'm waiting for a bigger pullback right now, which I am. And that bigger pullback is going to be the reversal. Oh, that is too funny, John. Oh, that is too funny. Positive one account, but negative on the other, so I'm just calling it a day. Go Cubs. Come on, Rosie Rose. Go Cubs. Real? For real? Man, I still am bitter. I am still bitter about the World Series against the Indians and the Cubs. I am telling you right now, that rain delay was rigged. There was no reason to do a rain delay in the 9th inning. That was BS. I'm calling it, and that is my final answer, and I'm sticking to it. I still remember where I was when that happened. Paid my money. She buried my face in her chest and slammed her fun bags in my face. No shot. Man, Chicago just hits different, I guess. Holy, can you imagine if they would franchise? The Wiener Circle should do franchises. Can you imagine? Oh, feel like you would need to be in the right place to do that. Okay, pulling back. Come on back down. Come down, baby. You can do it. Come down to Papa. All right, we're getting our pullback. Oh, snap. Gotta be ready. I would love for this to test the EMA. Can it do it? Can you do it, please? I will use only one copy at a time. I want to download both of them, but I want to check before I will. Oh, I see what you mean. You just want to test them both? Yeah, if you just want to test them, yeah, you can do that. Yeah, exactly, Neil. That is my fear, is that this pullback that I'm waiting on will turn into the reversal. You know what? If that happens, then we'll just get stopped out and move on with our day, you know? So it be like that sometimes. I feel like that often happens when you miss setup after setup. You miss it, and then you finally go in, and then that's the actual reversal. Does happen a lot. You know, the second you get in, there will be one of those 50-point flash down candles in a split second. It probably will. You know what? I'm going to take it like a man. I will take it like a man. Market, I gave you no permission to go back up higher. Get back down here. That's an order. You kidding me right now? You kidding me? I give up. Gotta be kidding me. Hey, Justice, how we doing? How we doing, Justice? The king of the duck races is here. New highs. I'm not getting FOMO either. I'm not doing it. Gosh, I hate this. I mean, I love this price action, and I hate that I'm not trading it, if that makes sense. So stupid. Hey, winning with Quincy, if I'm bearish? No, I'm not. I'm actually not. I was even bullish on the day, and then I haven't been taking my entries. I've been missing out for multiple different reasons. And so here we sit, brokenhearted, and watch it just keep grinding higher. I'm waiting for a bigger pullback, and I know what the market's trying to do. I've been down this road so many times. I know exactly what the market is doing here. I'll tell you. See how the market is it's not giving me pullbacks to where I really want it to. So it's teasing me like once, twice, 3 times now. And it's waiting. It's trapping me. It's waiting till I take the bait. It's like when you go fishing, you know, the fish is like, nah, I'm good. And then finally they just can't resist it. And that's when they get caught. And the next time it'll come down and test the EMA actually, then I'll finally be like, okay, fine, I'm just going in. And then it's going to rip 50 points lower. I've been there before, man. This market, I'm old enough. I know all the tricks. So we chilling, man. And here comes the pullback. Here comes the pullback. Oh, it's not even. You gotta come back further than that. You freaking kidding. Seriously? We're in a daily volume imbalance. If it's going to reverse, it's going to be between here and 19K. I mean, it could. It definitely could. We could also just keep grinding higher all day long. That is also an option. This is. There it goes. Just not giving me a chance to get in. This is usually where I will start to run out of patience and then I will just enter. I'll just get in. I won't even care where. I'll just get in. And then that's usually when it rips lower. It's almost like a test of the market to see. It's almost a test to see how serious the bulls actually are. Because if it keeps going up when I get in, then you know the market is actually bullish. Just chopping higher with very little or minimal pullback. Wow, new highs. And there we go at the 980s. I remember. Do you guys remember? All the way back here, we were talking about the 19,000s are going to get hit. Yet, we're about to hit the 19,000s, and we're still red on the day. That is trading at its very finest. That's when you know that you're a trader. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. There it goes. 985s. Nutty, I told you it's going straight to 19,000. Shut up, Shockwave. I don't need anyone telling me what they told me now. I told myself that already. It didn't help. If I tell myself it's going to 19,000, then, and I don't take trades. I'm just kidding, by the way, Shockwave. I hate it here. Unbelievable. Get in long. Yeah, get in long so you guys can get a bigger pullback. I mean, that is fair. You know that would happen. If I get in long right here, there is a 100% certainty that we pull back to the EMA. It's like guaranteed. 100%. Oh, shoot. Come on, pull it down. Come on, you can do it. I really need to make sure I keep my patience here. Do not just go straight up now, please. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm just not going to jump in here in the middle of a red candle. I'm just not going to do it. And there's the pullback. See, now it becomes a point where now it's like, okay, do I take the stab? Or is this going to be the reversal? Oof. I'm so scared. Is it really just going to go straight back? I'm not entering up here. I ain't doing it. I am not doing it. Oh my gosh. Like, cause it doesn't, like, technically my entry is right here at the 980s, but that's just stupid. I'm not gonna enter up here. I'm not doing it. I've seen that movie way too many times. I don't know. It's just not giving me good entries at all. Yeah, John, it's just very, I don't know, man. It's very frustrating. You just got to scalp for a few ticks. Yeah, that is true. And that is definitely true, but I'm just not feeling it. I am so close to pulling this trigger out of frustration though that it's not even funny. Hey, what's up, Donovan? What's up, Donovan? No retracement. I mean, it might. See, look at. I just. Ah, we're going higher. We might. All right. I need a laugh, John. What you got for me? The cheeseburger show, Wiener Circle. Oh, I got it. This is gonna be good. Viewer discretion is strongly advised. This girl is something else. Jeez. I feel like she would work well. She would work very well with Seinfeld, the soup kitchen. Of course we're going higher. Hello. Of course we're going higher because I didn't get in. You idiot. You son of a... You little... I actually give up. I actually give up. You win, market. You win. I have... That's unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm so done. How much is it? Oh, this is hilarious, John. No. She's making him count the money. He's trying to pay in quarters. Have you ever read The Power of Now? It would help with your anger issues. You little prick. Go to Chinatown. She's telling that to a Chinese person. Go to Chinatown. He's too funny. That's how I would probably look at this. Like there's zero. I can't get in this. I just can't do it. I give up. I'm done. I'm actually. Oh, that was too. That was funny, John. That was good. Hey, how we doing, DL? There is nothing to feel, just trade what you see. I know, but I'm frustrated because I can't get my entries. It's just the candles are terrible. My entry, yet it keeps grinding higher, which is what I like, but I guess, I mean, I don't know. Go to Chinatown. Do you have Irish in my family? I don't think so, Shockwave, but I don't know. Maybe I do. I've never did the old what is the kit called where they take a DNA test and tell you where you're from? Then there's no trade for me. I mean, you're probably right, but I'm still frustrated. When I finally decide to get in, it will pull back to the exact time. I know it is. I know, Eric. We all know this. We all know exactly what will happen. It's the FOMO is definitely starting to get me. The FOMO is real, but I need to resist it. We need to stay strong, family. Stay strong. No trade for you. No trade for you. Look at, I mean, it's ever since we had from 1050 and it's 1150 to the past hour. Like, the thing is, okay, let's be realistic here. Okay. Can we be real? Let's be real. This little trend is not going to continue for 2 hours. I feel confident with that. Like, this little cute little trend here, this is not going to continue for 2 hours. There's just no way. And there it goes. It's going to go to the 19,000s, and I'm not going to get in one stinking trade. Not one. That's why I'm frustrated. I guarantee you, if I would switch to the 1 minute chart, I would find some great entries. And I probably shouldn't even look at them. But see, this is the only time a 1 minute entry actually gives me a lot better entries. But I know I'm not doing that. I'm not. It's okay. It's okay. Nope. We're just chilling. We're chilling. We chilling. We did not make it to the 19,000s, by the way. We're 2.5 points away. 2.5 points away. Oh, that would be ironic if we now reverse. That would be ironic. Where is it going to stop and reverse? Best entries are no longer are on longer. I mean, yeah, so if we look at here, which is another, like the 4 hour chart, we broke above. Great time to get long. That was great. But now we just have to wait. We got to wait for a pullback. It's just that simple. And I know this. I know this, but it doesn't make me any happier. You know this thing's going to fall off a cliff here soon. do I do this? Son of a bitch. All right, if we get close to the bottom of this range, close to the EMA, we're going to pull the trigger. All right, we got options. Well, we're getting a setup. Now we just need an entry above the 982s here. Above the 982s. Oh, man. Ooh, boys. Now that's looking a little nosedivey here. Gotta get above that 983 level. We'd get above that. Hello? Why am I not? All right. We're doing it. If we get filled, we're in. Oh. And we're in. Everybody hold on. And we're in. Oh. Do not rug pull me here. Obviously, I want to take my profit before the 19,000s. I'll feel a lot better if this first profit target gets hit. Oh, come on. You were so close. Gotta be patient here. This is gonna be testing my patience. Do not want to see this close with a big wick. Oh, I hate that close. Oh, hate it. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, man. Come on, fill me here. Just do it. Are you serious? Are you serious? All of a sudden, you can't fill me one tick close? Like, that's what we're doing here? Thank you. Jeez. Trying to make it difficult on me. All right, we're just playing this for the 19,000s. We are holding on. 19,000 is the play. We shall believe. We shall believe. Come on, 19,000. Let's go. Come on, baby. Rip it. You can do it. Rip it. Rip it. Go. Go. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Let's go. Let's go. She did it. Let's go, Shane. Let's go. We swept the 19,000s and we chillin'. That was awesome. I never doubted for a second. I was definitely nervous, but there was never a doubt. Never a doubt. Man, that rejected quick. We got that 19,000 level and boom, we pulled back. Patience, patience, patience. It finally paid. It finally did pay. I'm super stoked about being patient there. We didn't chase, we waited, and we got her set up and we took it. And it worked. It actually worked. It didn't reverse on us. Let's go. I really don't see the need to keep trading now, honestly. That was kind of our, and that was with 2 minis. So let's go. So I'm kind of done. I'm kind of done for the day, to be honest. No need to, I don't really feel the need to trade more. But it is definitely, if we continue to hold this EMA like we have been, I just, you know, in the afternoon session, lately, it always feels like we nosedive at some point. So I just want to be careful. But I think actually, guys, I think I might call it here. I might call it here. I want to mow the lawn yet, and then we're gonna make we have about an hour and a half, 2-hour drive to Cleveland. So we're gonna have to leave for that pretty soon. So I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. Great last trade, and we'll be back tomorrow. We shall be back. So, all right, guys. Appreciate every one of you. Thanks again. I'm very curious to see if Apex is going to extend their sale tonight. I don't know. I guess we'll wait and see. But a frustrating stream, and it ended with a good ending. I'm very happy with that. So I was pretty frustrated on this move and missing out on all of those, but we waited and then we got it. I love it. I love it. All right, guys, take care, and God bless.